1. Camera overview. Two. Installing the microSD card. Find the microSD card slot on your camera, insert the card in the direction shown. 3. Charging the camera. Find the USB port on your camera, connect it to a charger using a USB cable. The indicator light stays red while charging. It will turn off once fully charged. 4. Power on off. Press and hold the power button for 1 second to turn on your camera. Once powered on, the camera is ready to shoot. Press the power button to start recording. Press it again to stop. Press and hold the power button for 4 seconds to turn off. 5. Restarting the camera. If your camera becomes unresponsive, don't worry. Locate the reset hole on the side of the camera. Gently press it with a pin. The camera will power off automatically. Turn it back on manually, and you're ready to go again.